shoot a video here of an installation of a ProCentric 200 server at the Hilton, Fairlawn, Ohio, which is a suburb of Akron. You notice the TV comes up without the LG logo. We've replaced that with the Hilton logo, and then it loads the portal. Now I've got it coming on to the weather channel at a volume of 10, but I'm going to take that weather channel out of there so we can see the portal a little bit better. And we'll just go to a channel that doesn't really have a lot of things around the edges. So if I load the portal again by pushing the portal button on a remote control, notice I've got Hilton, the Hilton logo in each one of these menus as well. We've got instantly the channel guide that goes out 48 hours in advance. And then you can scroll down here to any channel and switch to it just by clicking enter. If we load the portal again, I can arrow to the right. You can go directly to watching television. If I arrow over to the help icon, you get a image of how to and description of how to operate the remote control. If I then go over to portal or guest directory on the portal, it'll come up and we've got what is normally the guest directory that's sitting in the guest room. Now I had just turned the television off and back on, so it's going to take a second to load right now. But when it comes up, you're going to notice that we've got everything on welcome to the lounge here that's in the hotel, a little bit on the actual restaurant portion itself. And then we've got information on the business center, which is located on the first floor here. Talk a little bit about meetings and meeting space. Talk about the large events for the grand ballroom. Talk about the guest rooms themselves and the features of those, or the amenities, I guess, as they call them, and then the fitness center. Then we arrow down, we've got local AccuWeather. I've got the crosshair actually pinpointed right on the Hilton Akron, Hilton Akron Fairlawn is what it's known as. And that's live. Then we've got nearby attractions and a list of those, and how to dial the telephone for those who still use the actual in-room phone. So that's the setup here. There's one other icon on here that I left on, and it is the alarm clock, so you can use the television as an actual alarm clock. All right, that said, I'm going to go back over here and we'll put the TV guide back on screen. Hopefully you've got a real clear understanding of how the LG PSC 200 works in conjunction with your televisions. It also, by the way, goes out and programs the televisions, and it does remote firmware updates. So in this case, where they got 200 televisions, placed them in rooms, all they had to do was power them on, power them off, wait about 90 seconds or less, and the televisions actually program themselves with all the proper channels.